Ever wondered why you get thirsty? It sounds like a simple question, right? You're thirsty, you drink water, problem solved. But behind that feeling is an incredibly sophisticated system, a biological masterpiece that keeps you alive. Let's dive into the fascinating science of thirst. Our bodies are about 60% water, and this water is crucial for nearly every function, from regulating temperature to transporting nutrients. When the water level in your body drops by just 1 to 2%, your brain's thirst center, the hypothalamus, springs into action. So how does it know? Your blood is a key player here. As you lose water through sweat, breathing, and going to the bathroom, the concentration of solutes like sodium in your blood increases. Think of it like a soup that's been simmering for too long. It gets saltier. Your brain has specialized sensors called osmoreceptors that detect this change. When they sense the blood is getting too concentrated, they send an alarm signal to the hypothalamus. This signal does two things. First, it creates that familiar, sometimes nagging sensation we call thirst. It's your brain's way of screaming, "Hey, go find some water." Second, it triggers the release of a hormone called ADH, or antidiuretic hormone. ADH travels to your kidneys and tells them to hold on to water, reducing urine output. That's a clever way your body tries to conserve the water it has left while you search for a drink. But that's not the only trigger. Have you ever felt super thirsty after eating a salty bag of chips? That's the osmoreceptors at work again, detecting the spike in sodium. There's also another type of thirst, called hypovolemic thirst, which is triggered by a loss of blood volume, say from an injury or severe dehydration. In this case, sensors in your heart and blood vessels detect the drop in pressure and send their own signals to the brain, making you feel thirsty and also craving salt to help restore blood volume. Interestingly, the act of drinking itself provides immediate, though temporary relief. Even before the water is absorbed into your bloodstream, sensors in your mouth and throat tell your brain that help is on the way. This is why a cold glass of water feels so satisfying right away. It's a sort of preview of the rehydration to come, calming the thirst signals temporarily while your body waits for the water to actually be absorbed, which can take 10 to 20 minutes. However, as we age, this finely tuned system can become less sensitive. Older adults might not feel thirsty even when their bodies need water, which is why it's so important for them to drink regularly, even if they don't feel the urge. So, the next time you reach for a glass of water, take a moment to appreciate the incredible, invisible process happening inside you. Thirst isn't just a minor inconvenience. It's a vital survival instinct, a complex conversation between your blood, your brain, and your kidneys, all working together to keep you in perfect balance. It's one of the most fundamental processes that keeps us going every single day. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into how your body works. Stay hydrated and see you in the next one.